Viewers, welcome back and thanks very much for joining me. Yes, we're cooking with gas tonight. We're cooking with gas. You know, one of my favourite stations on YouTube is Easy Rider. Yes, Easy Rider. He put me onto the Himalayan salt. Anyway, tonight for dinner we're having a spaghetti, and it's going to be a chickeny dish. I mean, doesn't that look like, yes, barbecue chicken from Coles? And anyway, we'll show you the developments. Some of these don't go overboard, though. The Himalayan salt and a little bit of black pepper. Don't go nuts. Don't go nuts on it. Everything in moderation. Yes, this is my dinner tonight, Riccardo Bosi. What are you having? You over at the Russian consulate having sirloin steaks with Russian Cossack, or what? Just asking, because it looks like you're rolling in cash. Yes. It's not what you do, it's the way that you do it. Exactly. I don't identify as a Christian because there's too many weirdos in the Christian community. I'm Jesus' best friend. Yes. I go around helping people, healing, being kind. I do get cranky at times, just like Jesus did when he got on the turntables in the temple and started scratching the decks. What? So Jesus was a DJ? Was he? Crows are talking. Max Egan, where's my interview? Come on, cross-promote me. Where's this Dave One Eggs guy? You know, why aren't you guys friendly? None of you guys have got this Russian Cossack guy, Monica Smith. I could name 100 of them, all stealing the show. I'm not very happy. No. It's all right though. I will remain Jesus-y till my dying day. The funny thing is though, if I saw you in the street tomorrow, what would you do? Would you run? Or would you front up to me? I'm not here to pick any fights with anyone. The thing is, none of you guys are being friendly at all. Which just reeks of weirdness. You know, I was actually vegetarian. Yeah, but there's no vegetables in that. Oi, I was actually vegetarian for about 10 years. But look at me, I'm so freaking skinny. I need all the protein I can get. Anyway, I'll show you how you do it. You split up the chicken, you fry it in the pan, and then we're going to put the spaghetti back in with the herbs. Yes, this is my dinner. Riccardo Bosi. I don't even have any onions or any rice. It doesn't matter though. I'm happy with what I've got. Yes, I'm happy with my deal. And I tell you what, this is possibly going to be one of the greatest dishes you'll ever see. You just wait. It's going to be delicious. There we go. We've stripped the chicken. There's a parson's nose in there. If my mother was still here today, she would make a soup out of the rest of this. She wouldn't let it go to waste. I'm the youngest of 6 children, I beg your pardon. Yes, my mother was a legend in the kitchen. She could do the loaves and fishes thing. She had to do the loaves and fishes thing. growing up in Canberra, the nation's capital, we used to get our fruit and vegetables off the mafia. They also used to produce the marijuana. Stan Grant knows all about it. Coming from Griffith, the mafia's headquarters for drug production in Australia. Anyway, here we go. Cooking with gas. Gonna fry it up. Get a little bit of this. No, we don't have any onions. Don't need them. There's a lot of actually conversation about onions. Are they actually good for you? And this is the thing about being vegetarian. It's not all vegetables are that great, or the fruits. I don't eat strawberries. Nature tells us you don't eat red things too much. Here we go. Cooking with gas. A little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a pinch of this, and a pinch of that. Don't go overboard. Everything in moderation. Some people have put on weight since this COVID lockdown. I've lost weight. I've actually lost weight since this COVID lockdown thingy, which is alright. Give it a minute. The waiting is very important. You've got to wait. A little bit of stirring. And the rest in with the whole wash. That's a joke about laundry powder. So, tomatoes too. Tomatoes are red, which is a warning in nature. I like tomatoes, but they don't like me. They make my tummy get upset. And we're almost done. As simple as that. Hang on a minute. Yep. The mixing. And there you go. It's going to be great. Yes. Very nice. Very nice. Polo they call chicken in that part of the world. Polo. Like Marco Polo. Mark of the chicken. Dinner is served. Well, not served yet. Dinner is ready. I'll just dish it up. You're invited for dinner as well. And you can join the band, of course you can. What instrument do you want to play? You name it. You're in the band. Elbow. You can bring that Penny Wong over as well. She can join. She can join in. There's enough for all. I've done my Why I Love Riccardo Bosi video months ago. Months and months ago. I don't know why the feeling isn't mutual. Got a lot of respect for the young man. He had a tough upbringing. I've done my own research on him. It's not easy for any of us. We all need to team up. I'm cool with you Italian guys.